Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your stock mirror caps with these M3 style carbon fiber mirror caps. Let's get to it. Alright, so we have these M3 style mirror caps, which means that they do not fit on your original M3 mirrors. So these are mirrors off of my 335i. If you're new to the channel, this is my 335xi. It's all-wheel drive, got a big old single turbo on it, wrapped it, wide body, and all that. So if you want to learn more about that, make sure to check out some of my other videos. So back onto the mirror caps. If you can see, the back side of the mirror cap here has 4 little prongs. So those 4 little prongs are what holds this mirror cap on here. So what we're going to use is a pry tool. We're going to use the pry tool to get behind the little seam here, and then we're going to be able to pop it off. So right here is that seam I was telling you about. So what I'm going to use is one of my pry tools, little trim remover tools, and slide it in there and try to pop this off. Gone. Instantly just popped right off. I thought I was going to have to pry it off a little bit more, but seemed to just go just fine. Alright, so here is our stock mirror cap. As you can see, we have the same prongs as the carbon fiber one. Let me grab that for you. So right here you can see those same 4 prongs. This is the stock one here. They have the 4 prongs here. And then here is the aftermarket one here. It's a little bit more black, so it's kind of hard to see, but they have the same 4 little prongs there. So what we gotta do is snap it in place. As you can see here, we have our new mirror cap installed. Everything fits up nicely and it is on there very good. So now let's hop onto the other side, take off that mirror cap and install our new one. Alright guys, that's all that's going to do for today. If you like the install of these mirror caps, make sure to leave a big old thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos like this, and so you can follow the build series of this car. I'll see you guys next time.